a major release to SmolSlimeConfigurator, a major video. Not really major. It's not meant to be a replacement for the first video that I made, which you should probably watch, but it is just a follow-up showing how to use the new features. The newest thing probably that's obvious is the settings. You can select light theme or dark theme. You can toggle tooltips if you don't want them to show up because you already know how to use the program. Importing stuff in serial gets logged as green and red for any errors that show up. There is a new menu for selecting firmware, which is the same as before, except there was so much different options for firmware that it overloaded the whole menu, and then you kind of couldn't pick what you wanted. You also had the option of providing custom UF2 files, which I saw someone ask if that's possible. So yes, it is. And which firmware to pick? Well, if we load up the website, it's kind of obvious, but just in case it's not, I'm still gonna briefly go over it. You have the device you're using, so Pro Micro, probably most popular one, but if you're using Xiao or just straight up the Butterfly, then you've got all the info on here. You just follow the tab. What protocol? SPI is generally better. And then does it have a clock? Well, yes, it does. Pro Micros have clocks. Wake up motion, you don't really want that, and then you don't even have the option. But this one's recommended. So what you can do is you can right click, copy link, paste it somewhere, and you can see Smol Slime NRF blah 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 U2F, which is what you want to copy. Then you can put it in here, scroll up to the top, and select the firmware. Then you can press upgrade firmware. It'll do its thing. There's also a progress bar that shows up once it's doing each thing. If you have any issues, you can go over to the GitHub repo and post a issue if you need to. It supports Linux, Mac, and Windows, and that's pretty much it. I don't think there's much else to say. Hopefully this tool is of use to you, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.